Hello friends, in this tutorial we'll be learning about how to plot multiple plots in a single figure in Matlab Simulink. So I want to plot multiple plots of current and voltage in a single figure. So here this is my voltage measurement block and this is the current measurement block. So the current and voltage values, if I want to store them, so here's this to workspace block. Just double click and this is your workspace block. And then you can name it, like here I have named this block V. So you can create any name and store your values here. So similarly, I have created this workspace block for voltage, power and current. So if I run the simulation, the values of voltage, current and power, they will be stored here in my workspace. So if I go here, so you can see my voltage, current and power, these values have been stored in the workspace. So these are the different values of current at different instants of time. Now what happens in the latest versions of Matlab? So when we run the simulation again, the values of voltage and current, they are overwritten, so we lose those values. So what we need to do is store these values somewhere. So I am making a new variable, that is voltage, and I'm storing the previous values here. So this is, so you can see all these values of voltage will be now stored in a new variable called voltage. So similarly, as you can see, my current has been saved in the out.I. So current is equal to out.I. So current will be stored in this variable. Similarly, power will be stored in this variable. So let me change this value. So I'm changing the input, so I'll be getting new values of current, voltage and power. So if I go back here, so here, if you can see here, this out block, so the values of current, power and voltage, they have been overwritten by the new values. So what we can do is now store these new values in another variable, voltage 1. This will be equal to out dot V. Current 1 will be equal to out dot I. Power will be equal to out dot P. So if I want to plot, I can plot like this: plot voltage, current. So these are my, so voltage is my x-axis variable and current will be my y-axis variable. And the second plot, voltage 1, and when you press enter, so what we have done is we have plotted multiple plots in a single figure. So now you can run the simulation again. Now this out dot v, out dot p, out dot I. So now again the values will be overwritten and we can again plot. And here I'll write the new values out dot p, out dot I. Now what we have done is we have plotted 3 plots in a single figure. So I hope this helps you out in plotting multiple figures in a single plot. Thank you.